September 12 around 9:30. So we got this solar pump and I'm going to wire it up. This is the manual. I haven't read it. This is the control box. It takes AC, DC, and it's where's the spec? Oh yeah, I forgot. So this is the AC input, single phase or generator, and DC, the solar panel, minimum 100 BOC, maximum 490 BOC, so that's really important. So it's 3 horsepower, and we got these cable as well for the submer. So I'm just gonna start to wire them up. So this is the inside of the control box. There are 4 330 mics for 50 volts, and this is the AC input, the panel input, and then the BDLC control for the pump. So that's what it looked like. Then on off switch and the control for the water sensor, which is this if you want to connect it. So that's what it looked like. How do you connect the submersible cable to the submersible pump? So we're gonna use copper ferrules and then paint it with this material. It's called liquid electrical tape, and then after that use heat shrink. And then the cable is also heat shrunk here. So this is how we're gonna do it. So insert the heat shrink first, and then connect the wires using this copper ferrule, and then squeeze the copper ferrule just like I did here. And so that's what it looked like. Squeeze. After it's bent like this, I just curl the bare copper around the ferrule, and then I'm going to add the electrical tape, liquid electrical tape on top of this material. So this is the brush, just brush it over like this. The electrical tape is dries fairly quick, so you gotta do this quick. Move the heat shrink while the liquid tape is still tacky. Since this is my first time, I don't know what's gonna happen, so I'm just gonna heat shrink the thing over on top of the liquid tape. So that's done. I'm going to go to the next one, black with yellow, and then red with blue. So we'll proceed as I'll keep taking video as I go along. So I did the same thing with yellow black. So now I'm gonna put the liquid electrical tape on it. So the red is done too. So I'm just gonna paint it and then put the heat shrink over on top of the paint. Yeah, this thing is messy. I just want to make sure there's no water leakage, seepage and creepage when the cable is underwater. So that's the reason why I'm doing this. So I'm gonna complete it. I'm gonna add more goop and then heat shrink it. So there it is, heat shrunk. And you want to be able to see this bubbling out so that it's sealed around the cable. There's liquid here, so water ingress should stop there. So that's what it looked like. September 13, around 8 o'clock. So I wired up the submersible yesterday. So what I needed to do is what you call quick disconnect. So this is the three phase to phase, and this goes to the controller box. I've decided to use this cable for the solar panel connection. It would have been nice if I can get it in two. However, this is fine. I can always double this up um, to make sure to use all wires instead of just leaving one hanging around. So this is what it looked like. The liquid electrical tape, after a while it hardens, and so my intention is to make sure there's no water ingress in here to the connection. It's really important to make sure that the water doesn't seep into the connection. That's to prevent rusting and things. And now I'm going to design the panel stand. So this is the first phase of installing submersible to be used in the rice field. Thanks for watching.